Yay, boys and girls, it's Wednesday. We're going to start our day in math by writing our names. And then today's date is May 20th, 2020. And today, you guys, we are going to have a special little ceremony. I'm also going to give you guys or present you guys with your certificates for doing so well in online learning, and then I'll put them in your envelopes for pickup on Friday. But we'll get to that later. It says directions. Write the missing number. These problems are the same, except you notice right here, they flipped the equal signs. One side we used to have on the left, the addends, and then we had the total or the sum on the right. Sorry, left we had the addends, and on the right we had the sum. Today they flipped it over, and we have the problem read in a different way. It says 10 equals blank plus 4. So we know 10 plus facts. We know that 4 and 6 make 10, so we can just write a 6 here. Or we can use the count on method and use 4 and count on till we get to 6. We start with 4, we say 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we have 6 fingers, so we write 6. We do the same right here, but I noticed that there's a 16 and there's an 8. Does anyone know another strategy besides counting on that we can use to figure this out? Yes, it's the doubles fact. 8 and 8 make 16, so all we need to do is write an 8 here. You see, both those problems did not require me to count on with our fingers. If you know the 10 plus facts, or 10 facts, you will be able to make this number sentence. If you know your doubles fact, you can do this part. Let's try the next one. Ooh, I see something else again. Guess what? 6 and 6 make 12, so I don't need to use the counting on method. Okay, let's see if we can find one where we do need to count on. Oh, this is count on plus 1. Actually, not count on, but doubles plus 1. How do we know this? Because right above it, we have a double. 6 plus 6 equals 12. One more. So the plus 1, doubles plus 1 equals 13. So if we know 6 and 6 make 12, you see there's a 7 there? That's one more than 6. So I can put a 6 there and know that 6 plus 7 equals 13. I can check as well. I can say 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And we have 6 fingers to show that 6 and 7 make 13. You can do the rest of the problems using your doubles fact and doubles plus 1, as well as counting on to solve all problems. Make sure you take your time thinking about the problem so you don't need to waste your time counting on. Let's see the next page. You got it. It's our word problems. We have 3 today. Again, let's read our word problem and our directions first, and then read our word problem, draw it out and label numbers, and then write the number sentence and a statement. Number sentence is here, statement is here. Make sure you have all the parts. It says, last night we ate cookies. There were 6 chocolate chip cookies and the rest were sugar cookies. We had 14 cookies in all. How many sugar cookies did we have? So far, we've been doing a lot of counting on, but today we can do something a little different. We know we have 14 cookies all together. We just need to know how many were chocolate chip and how many were sugar. So what we can do is draw our 14 cookies. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I kind of like to make a line between my 10 and 4 because I always want to separate my 10 group from my rest of the problem, just so that it's easier for me to subtract or add. But for this time, we don't really need to do that. It says we have 6 chocolate chip cookies. How do we know? It says so in the story. How do we know and how do we remember? We read it again. So we're going to draw a line. We're going to circle the 6 cookies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This was our chocolate chip. So I put a C and a 6 under it, so I know there's 6. The rest